How much is this?
It's $3 a pound.
That's not bad.
No, not bad at all. These apples look fresh, too.
Yes, they do. I like the color of these.
They look better than the ones on the other side.
Then maybe we should get some.
I think so. They're a good place to start.
Okay, let's put apples on the list first.
Good idea. That already feels like progress.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily with Emma and Jake.
Today, we're at the grocery store.
In this lesson, we'll learn simple English for shopping, choosing items, and checking prices.
These are very useful phrases for daily life.
Yes, because grocery shopping is something many people do every week.
And it can feel stressful if you don't know what to say.
So today, we'll keep everything simple, clear, and practical.
We'll also use English that sounds natural in real life.
Let's go step by step together.
Okay, let's start shopping.
Before we start, let's make a small list.
Yes, that helps a lot.
I don't want to walk around and forget what we need.
Me neither. A short list makes shopping easier.
We don't need too many things today.
That's good. Simple shopping is usually better.
I think we need fruit, milk, bread, and a few vegetables.
That sounds simple enough.
Maybe 1 or 2 extra things, but not much.
Right. Let's stay close to the list.
Good. That will save time, too.
And probably money.
Do we need fruit first?
Yes, let's start here.
I think apples are a good choice.
I agree. They're easy, practical, and good for the week.
Should we get bananas, too?
Maybe, but let's not buy too much at the beginning.
That's true. If we buy too much now, the cart will fill up fast.
Exactly. Let's keep the first part simple.
Okay, apples first.
Then we can decide about bananas later.
That sounds better.
Yes, one step at a time.
These apples look nice. I want ones that look fresh, not too soft.
That sounds good.
Sometimes the outside looks good, but the fruit is not that fresh.
Yes, so it's better to check carefully.
This one looks good. And this one too.
We don't need many.
Right, maybe 4 or 5.
That should be enough for the week.
I like shopping this way. Just enough, not too much.
Yes, it feels more organized.
And it makes the cart easier to manage too.
Now, we need some vegetables.
We need tomatoes, right?
Yes, I think so. And maybe lettuce too?
That sounds good.
I like to keep vegetables simple.
Me too. We don't need 5 different things.
Exactly. Just the basics are enough today.
Tomatoes, lettuce, and maybe one more thing.
Yes, maybe cucumbers or carrots.
I think that's enough already.
Good. Then we're still following the list well.
What about mushrooms?
Maybe not today.
Do we really need them?
I don't think so.
You're right. We already have enough vegetables.
Yes, and if we keep adding things, the list will get too big.
That always happens to me in stores like this.
Me too. Everything starts to look useful.
Even when we don't really need it.
Exactly. So let's stay close to the plan.
That helps us save money too.
And it keeps shopping easier and faster.
Do we still have milk at home?
Not much.
Then let's buy 1.
Yes, 1 is enough.
We don't need 2?
I don't think so. We can always buy more later.
That makes sense. Okay, 1 carton is fine.
That keeps things simple.
I like that. I don't want the cart to get too heavy either.
Yes, and 1 carton should last for now.
Good, then milk is done. Which one should we get?
This one looks cheaper.
Yes, but this one looks better.
That's true.
Sometimes the cheaper one is fine.
And sometimes the better one is worth it.
I think this one is a good balance.
Why do you like it more?
The price is still okay, and it looks more familiar.
That makes sense.
I don't always want the cheapest thing.
Right. Sometimes you want the one that feels more reliable.
Then let's choose that one.
Okay, good choice. Now, we need bread.
This bread looks good.
Yes, it does.
Do you want white bread or whole wheat?
I think whole wheat is better today.
Okay, let's get that one.
Good. That was an easy choice.
I like easy choices at the store.
Me too. Not every decision needs to take a long time.
Especially with something simple, like bread.
Yes, if it looks good and the price is fine, that's enough.
I agree.
Great, then bread is done too.
This aisle is dangerous.
Why?
Because it makes me want to buy extra things.
That happens to me too.
Everything looks good here.
Yes, but we only need a few things today.
Right. Let's not get distracted.
Good plan.
I always tell myself I'll just look around.
And then you suddenly want 3 snacks.
Exactly. That's the problem.
I know that feeling.
So let's be careful here.
Yes, this is where the list can disappear very quickly. Maybe we should get something for dinner too.
Like what?
Maybe some chicken.
Do you need it today?
I'm not sure. Let's think for a second. If we keep shopping too much, the cart will get full.
That's true.
We already have quite a few things.
And we said we wanted to keep this trip simple.
Right.
Then maybe we should skip it this time.
Okay, that's fine.
We can always come back another day if we need to. Maybe we can get one small treat.
Just one?
Yes, just one.
That sounds fair.
I don't want to leave with a cart full of snacks.
Me neither.
One small thing is enough.
Then let's do that.
I think that's a good balance.
Yes, it still feels responsible.
We stay close to the list, but we also get something fun.
Exactly. Shopping doesn't have to feel too strict.
Just not out of control.
Yes, that's the important part.
How much is this?
It's $4.99. Make it 5.
That's okay.
Yes, it's not too expensive.
I always like to check the price first.
That's a good habit.
It helps me decide quickly.
And it helps avoid surprises later.
Yes, because sometimes something looks small but costs more than expected.
That happens a lot.
So I feel better when I check first.
Me too. It makes shopping feel more under control. Let's check the cart.
Good idea.
We have apples, tomatoes, lettuce, milk, and bread.
And one small snack.
That looks pretty good.
Yes, and we didn't buy too much.
That makes me happy.
Me too. This feels organized.
It also feels realistic.
Yes, this is the kind of shopping trip I like.
Simple, clear, and not too expensive.
Exactly. We got what we need without making it complicated. Did we forget anything?
Let's see. Fruit, milk, bread, vegetables.
That sounds complete.
I think we got everything we needed.
Great. It feels nice when the list actually works.
Yes, that doesn't always happen.
Sometimes I make a list and still leave with random things.
I know. That happens to me too.
But today feels better.
Yes, today feels clear and under control.
Good. Then I think we're ready to check out. Now we're at the checkout. Yes, and we only have a few things.
That makes this part easy.
I like that.
If someone asks, we can say, that's all.
Or, we just need these.
Both are simple and useful.
Yes, very easy to remember.
I like phrases like that.
Me too. They're short, but they sound natural.
And they help in real life right away.
Exactly. That's the kind of English people really use. Let's put everything in the bags.
Okay. The bread should go on top.
Right, so it doesn't get crushed.
And the apples can go here.
Good idea.
I like doing this carefully.
Me too. It makes getting home easier.
Yes, and it also keeps everything in better shape.
That's true.
If we throw things in too quickly, something always gets damaged.
So a little care here is worth it.
Exactly.
That went well.
Yes, it did.
We got what we needed.
And we kept things simple.
I think that's the best way to shop sometimes.
I agree. Too many choices can make shopping harder.
Yes, simple English and a simple list both help.
That's actually a nice way to think about it.
What do you mean?
If things are clear, everything feels easier.
Yes, both shopping and speaking work better that way.
Grocery store English doesn't need to be complicated.
Not at all.
You can do a lot with simple phrases.
Like, we need milk. How much is this? Or, let's get bread.
Small sentences can do a lot of work.
Yes, and that makes shopping less stressful.
Especially for beginners.
Exactly.
You do not need long, perfect sentences to shop well.
You just need clear, useful phrases.
And a little confidence.
Yes, confidence grows when the English feels practical.
Here are a few common mistakes.
First, don't try to say too much at once.
Short, clear sentences are better.
Second, don't name too many items too quickly.
Go step by step.
And third, always check the price if you need to.
That's useful English too.
Simple, clear, and practical.
Another small mistake is changing your plan too often.
Yes, that can make shopping confusing.
Stay calm, look at the list, and choose one thing at a time.
That makes both shopping and speaking easier.
Today, we learned how to shop in simple English.
We talked about choosing fruit, vegetables, milk, and bread.
We also practiced asking the price and keeping the shopping list simple.
You do not need perfect English to shop well.
Small phrases can help you a lot.
And confidence grows with practice.
So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep trying.
That's how progress happens.
Even small progress matters.
Yes, especially when it connects to real life.
That's what makes this kind of English powerful.
It's useful, clear, and easy to build on.
Great job today.
We learned simple grocery store English together.
Keep practicing these phrases in daily life.
Try using them the next time you shop.
Small phrases can make real situations feel much easier.
And that's a great way to build confidence in English.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
See you soon.
Take care.